actions am, are, is with continuous action ing. Pronunciation ing. Example, work, working. Pronunciation work, work, worky, working. Continuous action, actions in the moment. Now, I am working now. I'm working now. Plans for the future. I'm working today. I'm working tonight. I'm working tomorrow. And I'm working this week. I'm working next week. Continuous action with I am, you are working, he is working, and she is working. New vocabulary. Continuous action, teaching. Pronunciation, t, teach, teachy, teaching. Continuous action, teaching. I'm a teacher. Profession. Teach is the action, simple action, teach. Continuous, teaching. I'm a teacher. Description, I'm busy. And continuous action, I'm teaching English now. New vocabulary. Study. Continuous, studying. Pronunciation, stud, study. Study is a simple action for student. Student is person. He's a student. An action, study. Continuous, studying. Stud, study, 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 studying. He's studying English. Complete. He's a student, he's busy, and he's studying English now. Let's practice. He's a student, he's busy, and he's studying English now. Question, is he a student?
Yes, he is a student.
Very good. Is he a student? Respond. Very good. Is he busy?
Yes, he is busy.
Very good. Question, is he busy? Respond. Very good. Is he studying English now?
Yes, he is studying English now.
Very good. Is he studying English now? Respond. Very good. New vocabulary. Cooking. Continuous action. Pronunciation. Cook. Cook. Cookie. Cooking. He's cooking now. He's a cook. A cook is profession. He's a cook. And cook is the action. In a continuous form, he's cooking now. Let's practice. He's Andrew. He's a cook. He's busy. And he's cooking now. Let's practice. Is he Andrew?
Yes, he is Andrew.
Question, is he Andrew? Respond. Very good. Is he a cook?
Yes, he is a cook.
Question, is he a cook? Respond. Very good. Is he busy?
Yes, he is busy.
Question, is he busy? Respond. Very good. Continuous action, cooking. Is he cooking now?
Yes, he's cooking now.
Very good. Question. Is he cooking now? Respond. Very good. New vocabulary. Painter. Pronunciation. A. Pay. Pain. T. Paint. Painter. Painter is the profession. He's a painter. Action, paint. Continuous form, painting. Pronunciation. A. Pay. Pain. T. Paint. E. Painty. Painting. He's painting now. He's painting. Continuous action and profession. He's a painter. Let's practice. Name William. He's William. Remember, he is together, he's. He's William. He's a painter. Profession. He's busy. And continuous action, he's painting now. Question. Who is he?
He's William.
Very good. Who is he? Respond. Very good. Is he a painter?
Yes, he's a painter.
Very good. Is he a painter? Respond. Very good. Is he busy?
Yes, he's busy.
Very good. Question. Is he busy? Respond. Very good. Continuous action. Is he painting now?
Yes, he's painting now.
Question. Is he painting now? Respond. Very good. New vocabulary. Driver. Pronunciation. D. Der. I. Dry. V. Drive. Driver. Driver has two pronunciations. Driver or j. Jur. I. Dry. V. Drive. Driver. So with dr together, driver or driver. Driver is a person, a profession. He is a taxi driver. And drive is the action in a continuous form, driving. Pronunciation. J. Jur. I. Dry. V. Drive. E. Drivey. Driving. So remember, pronunciation, American pronunciation, use the sound j, driving. Continuous action, he's driving now. Let's practice. He's Jacob. He's a driver. He's happy. He's busy. And he's driving now. Question. Is he Jacob?
Yes, he's Jacob.
Question. Is he Jacob? Respond. Very good. Is he a driver?
Yes, he's a driver.
Question. Is he a driver? Respond. Very good. Question. Is he happy or sad?
He's happy.
Question. Is he happy? Respond. Very good. Is he busy?
Yes, he's busy.
Very good. Question. Is he busy? Respond. Very good. Question. Is he driving now?
Yes, he's driving now.
Very good. Question. Is he driving now? Respond. Very good.